How to remove Google account from laptop or PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look out on how we can remove our Google account from your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open your web browser and search for gmail.com and make sure to log in into the account that you want to remove from. So here, after entering your Gmail account, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to remove it, you may just go to your profile at the top right. You can see at the top right, just wait for it to be loaded. After that, just sign out. Just tap on sign out and sign out of your Gmail account. After signing it out, you will be able to see this thing. So just tap on continue here. After tapping on continue, let me just change the language for now into English. Just tap on English. And here you should be able to see remove an account option. So what I want you to do is just tap on that remove an account option. After that, remove your account and get to settings of your Chrome browser. After going to settings of your Chrome browser, go to privacy and security and delete browsing history. In order to delete your login details as well, just tap on that and tap on advanced and click on this password and other sign-in data. Just tap on it and tap on delete data. After that, your login details will be also removed from your Chrome browser of that laptop or PC. Just follow these methods and you should be able to remove your Google account from your laptop or PC